All right, in chapter 3, section 4, we're going to look at a couple problems. So the first one is asking us to find some z-scores. So we have to know how to calculate a z-score, and I'm going to show you where the formula is. To calculate a z-score, I'm on page 112 of your text. It's just getting the value that you're looking at minus the mean over the standard deviation. That's for a sample population is similar, except it's the Greek letters, the mean over the population standard deviation. So if we were looking at, so there's our formula that we'll need to find z-scores. So if we're looking at this particular question, I know that the mean is an 89 and the standard deviation is 15. What are the z-scores that separate the unusual IQ score from those that are usual? So if the z-score is less than -2 or greater than 2 is unusual. So on this one, the lower one, I would think would be -2, because it's asking for the z-scores. Let's check. The higher z-score is 2. But if they want the IQ score, that's the lowest, well, that would be 2 standard deviations below, right? Because that's what a z-score is, the number of standard deviations you are from the mean. A number of standard deviations is above or below the mean. So if I wanted a z-value of 2, and I knew my standard deviation is 15, I would want to go 2 standard deviations below my mean. So 2 standard deviations is 30. So if I do 89 minus 30, I'd get 59. Again, you would do something similar to find that higher bound for IQ. But again, all z-score is the number of standard deviations from your mean. Another one to look at is number 7. And number 7 is talking about a 5-number summary and then a box plot. So we have to know what the numbers are in a 5-number summary. So let's take our data in. So these are our values. Again, that 4 looks pretty low. Just checking that. So if we do a summary stats of our column, so here are the values for a 5-number summary. It's your minimum value, your Q1, I'm going to put them in order, your median, your Q3, and your maximum. So this is your 5-number summary. Your minimum value, your first quartile, your median, which is your second quartile really, your third quartile value, and your maximum value. And there they are. So this computes all those for you. If I wanted to make a box plot of our data, we can do that simply. And so here we have it. This is my minimum value. Oh, look at all that good information it gives us. So it actually gives us the minimum, the Q1, the medium, the Q3, and the max. So we could just do our box plot and it'll give us all those values. So here's my minimum value. This is Q1. This is my median. This is Q3. and then the very top one is my max. Box plots are great when comparing sets of data.